Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. We have one more day to go for expiry. Nifty closed above 26,000 for the first time. Yesterday, as soon as Nifty crossed 26,000, huge volatility came, the markets fell. And today also, in the pre-market, both Nifty and Bank Nifty was showing negative. And in fact, Bank Nifty was showing more negative. And in the morning, Infosys was down, TCS was down, Reliance was down, ICICI Bank was down. All the index heavyweights were down. But HDFC Bank single-handedly took the market higher. I have already explained what could be the reason for such a bullishness in HDFC Bank. So HDB Financial may be coming out with the IPO, which will be adding value. Now it's all about IPO. And now there are some big IPOs are lining up. The largest ever IPO will be from Hyundai, will be $3 billion worth of IPO. They'll be coming very soon. Why I'm talking about IPO now, even today, FIIs were net sellers for about 900 crores, whereas the domestic institutions have bought for 1,800 crore. So, from where this FII selling is coming? And if it is a real FII selling, the market should fall. But the market, these FIIs keep on selling since January. And in January, the Nifty was around 22,000. Since that day, they have been selling. But market keeps on moving higher. And now it has closed about 26,000. So probably what could happen, there's a huge number of IPOs are coming into the market. And these FIIs, they get almost 1/3 of the issue is allotted to the FIIs. And those people who got the allotment in IPO, and when the listing comes, it is being listed at a good price, most of the companies. So they are just for the listing gain, they apply in IPO. As soon as they get allotment, they offload it in the secondary market. So probably, that could be one of the reasons why there is so much of negativity when you look at the FII selling. So probably FIIs are selling the shares which they got through IPO, and probably they are not selling the stocks in Nifty 50. Only when they sell in Nifty 50, the market will fall, at least the Nifty will fall. And today, so HDFC Bank took the markets higher. In the last 1 hour, Nifty moved about 100 point higher. But only Nifty was in green, but mid cap, small cap, next 50, so they were all slightly down. And probably in the afternoon, European markets opened much lower, but then it started recovering slowly. In fact, UK market has turned positive, and US futures also recovered. So probably that was the reason why there was a good short covering in the last 1 hour. So tomorrow is a Nifty expiry, monthly expiry. So the way markets are looking, it looks like, GIFT Nifty is already up by about 50-60 point, in overseas markets. So looks like this is a non-stop nonsense bull market. So this bull market is likely to continue. But really, as an investor, one has to be a little bit worried. And too much of enthusiasm is actually not good. And consensus is always dangerous. Now the consensus is that market is bullish. Everybody is talking. So another good thing today, there was a sudden spike yesterday. So that led to huge losses for intraday traders. But today intraday traders made profit very peacefully. There was no big movement. And of course, some movement came after 3 p.m. But by that time, the time value would have helped them to make money. So anyway, it is a historical day, Nifty closing above 26,000. So maybe during the weekend I'll come out with a video, what next until December. So today's expiry is over, Bank Nifty, only Nifty expiry. And no need to talk about the open interest, this and that. And 26,000 put option, 25,950, 25,900 all added huge open interest. And markets are bullish, right? So no need to talk about the open interest and this and that. The remaining things we will talk about the month of October. And incidentally, October is a 5-week series, and I thought, 5-week series, especially the corporate results will be coming. I thought the VIX will move higher, but on the contrary, VIX I think it has come down below 13 today, and today I think VIX has crossed about 5%. So option premiums have also collapsed like anything. So remaining things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.